Hey guys, it's Drew Mead from MarineMax at Baldridge Marina. I'm standing on board a 2024 Aviara 28 Surf model. So this is a 28-foot wake surfing boat. On the back of the boat, we have a flip-down swim platform here, which makes ease of entry after surfing super simple. Or if you're just hanging out in the water for the day, swimming up, hopping on the back of the boat, as easy as you could like it to be. Behind me is a really nice sun pad for watching the surfers while riding or lounging at anchor. Moving forward into the cockpit, you have a large storage compartment here in the walkthrough. Aviara 28 has a power tower, so if you're storing the boat on a lift or in dry stack, this whole top will electrically actuate down, which gives you access to your board rack storage up on top. You can fit easily 3 or more boards on each side of the hardtop, and you've got strap points here on the top to lock them down. So no side tower board rack holders on the side to worry about knocking off on the dock. You've got plenty of storage up here on top, and when you want to get them up and down, you can just push the switch on the back of the boat, lower the whole top down, and have ease of access to your gear. All right, moving into the cockpit, you have plenty of seating. You have a rear observer's seat here, which converts to a forward-facing passenger chair. Pull that tab and slide the seat back. So now you can have dual-facing captain's chairs here at the helm. Moving over to the helm, we've got our electric digital dash with a Simrad multifunction display. This will do your chart plotting. This will also give you your Mercury engine data. And then you have all digital switching control for the boat. You have your ballast fill and your surf control system all here on the Aviara control screen. The boat is equipped with a decently sized head. You have a bathroom and a sink with lighting inside, plenty of room to change clothes or get out and use the restroom if you need to. Moving forward in the boat, we will find very high gunnels. One of the nicest features about the Aviara is the really tall, very stout ride. It's a great performing bow rider as well as a wake surfing boat. Up front, you're going to find the Lumar electric windlass. Dropping the anchor and raising the anchor is super simple. You have in-floor storage here up at the helm, up at the bow. And plenty of seating all the way around. You have a power point up here at the front for charging phones. You have USB and USB-C controls, as well as your stereo remote control up here in the front too. Moving back, we'll show you the power plant that runs the whole show. This is powered by a Mercury 8.2 high output V8. Guys, thank you for coming on the tour of the Aviara 28 Surf with me. If you'd like to come see the boat in person, you can come join us at Baldridge Marina on Lake Lanier or visit us at MarineMax.com.